In this video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Elementor template. So that one is relatively easy. First thing you need to do is to head over to elementor.com. Head over, click on this Get Started option right here in order to create an account. Or you can also click onto this login option right here in order to log into the account that you already have. Once you have done that, next thing you need to do is to head over to WordPress.com. So our WordPress.com will serve as the host for our Elementor. So on this part, just head over and then click on this Get Started. And from in there, click on this Login once you already have done that. Now from in there, the next thing we can do is we can just log in to my account. I have in here my WordPress dashboard that has Elementor website connected as indicated right here. Now into this part, you can just head over to Elementor, and then from in there, you should be able to see some options. So in order to do this, just head over and you can see templates. Just click on that. And under that, you can see in here templates created from Elementor and the likes. We have in here this default one option. So in here, in order to delete it, just head over and click onto this option right here if you have a lot, or you can also just hover to that particular template. And from in there, you can find this trash option. So head over and click onto this trash. And then this will load in order to show you in here the trash option. As you can see, it's now been added to trash. You can undo that change if you would want. So from in there, in order to permanently delete it, you can just head over to the trash option right there. And then from in there, just click onto this delete permanently option in order to actually delete it permanently into your account. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.